Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 1 EVS chapter 5. Which topic today I will start? Class 1 EVS chapter 5. Okay. Please open your book page number 24. Everyone open your book page number 24. Celebrating together. So, celebrating together, today we will start page number 24. Celebrating together means what? First, I would like to discuss. What do you mean by celebrating together? Celebrating together means we generally celebrate together many celebrations. It may be Durga Puja, it may be Christmas, it may be Holi, it may be Eid, it may be any kinds of occasion that we love to celebrate. Again, many national celebrations also, Independence Day, Republic Day, all these we like to celebrate, Gandhi Jayanti, all these are the celebrations that we like to celebrate together. Okay, so repeat, listen to me and repeat after me. Open your book, page number 24. Sit along with your pencil eraser. Give tick mark. Give today's date, that is 4th May 2020. Give tick mark. Give today's date and start with me. As you have learned, we all live in a family. Our neighbors live near us. Yes, we all know that. We celebrate special days. Underline the word special. Special days such as our birthday, weddings of our family members. Yes, that is very common. Every year we celebrate our birthdays, our family members' birthdays, and the weddings. That is very important issue. Anniversary also very auspicious for us because we love to celebrate all these things. We also celebrate festival. A festival is a special time for religious or other celebrations. We wear new clothes, eat special food, and have lots of fun with our family. We visit our friends, neighbors, and exchange gifts and sweets. Underline the word exchange, underline the word festivals. We love to celebrate any kind of occasion like this way. We always love to celebrate. We always love to wear new clothes. We always love to get new gifts. Religious festivals. Now we will learn the religious festival. We celebrate many festivals in India. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. Yes, it is called the festival of light. Yes, we all know we love to light diyas. We love to light the crackers and all these things. Okay. People decorate their houses with lights, candles, diyas, and they worship goddess Lakshmi on this day. What they do? They worship Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi on this day. Now there is a green box. Burning crackers gives off smoke and make the air dirty. So yes, that is very true. Make a drawing to spread the message. A cracker-free Diwali. That is your home task. You will draw a picture. Cracker-free Diwali. Uh, how will you celebrate Diwali cracker-free? Draw this picture and send it to me. I want to also see. Okay. Now, Eid. Eid is celebrated by Muslims. Yes, Muslim people, we all know that they celebrate Eid. It is celebrated at the end of Ramzan, the holy month of fasting. This throughout the month, they prefers to do fasting. Okay. People go to mosque to pray. Yes, as we go to temple, church, Muslim people also go to pray where? Mosque. Everyone wishes each other Eid Mubarak. What did they say? What does they say? What do they say? They say Eid Mubarak. What do they say? Eid Mubarak. Okay, they hug one another and say Eid Mubarak. As you can see the right side picture. Guru Purab. Guru Purab is another festival of the Sikhs. Yes, the Sikh people love to celebrate and they always celebrate Guru Purab. It is celebrated to mark the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. Okay, they celebrated this day as the birthday. People decorate their houses with lights. Yes, they also decorate their house with lights. They go to Gurudwara to pray. Where they do like to go? They go to Gurudwara to pray. Christmas is celebrated by Christians every year on 25th December. Yes, we also like this because in our school we also celebrate the Christmas carnival, the festival. Yes, I know you all like that. We all like that. It marks the birthday of Jesus Christ. Yes, it is marked as the birthday of our Lord Jesus Christ. People go to church to pray. Yes, we all go to church to pray. They decorate Christmas trees, exchange gifts and cakes. Yes, we also love to prepare cakes on that day, homemade cake. Okay, not purchasing. We try to make cakes in our at our home. And children wait for Santa Claus to give them presents. Yes, we all are waiting that when I will awake and I see that Santa Claus gifted me a very nice gift. Yes, we all love to get the gifts from Santa Claus. Now, this is the most important thing. So, which are the religious festival from the beginning? Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab, Christmas. Okay. Now come to the next page. Important days. These are the national festival. Like Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August. Republic Day celebrated on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti celebrated on 2nd October. So it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. These days are celebrated by everyone in our country and are holidays for us. Yes, on Independence Day, Republic Day, people sing the national anthem and host the national flag. Yes, we all know that because in our school we come for parade, come for all these things. Even we also salute, give the salute, and our principal, he hosts the flag. Okay, we all know all these kinds of things. We all very accustomed with all these. These are the very important festival surrounding us. So this topic you learn very carefully, especially page number 27, words to learn. Learn all these words. Again I am repeating, page number 27, words to learn. Learn this page very carefully and next class I will provide you the question answers. Okay, so wait for the next class. Learn this topic very carefully at your home. If you have any doubt, you can ask me at dpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com, address like Dear Mom. If you have any doubt, ask over there at the dpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com. Mail to me. Okay, so wait for the next class. Stay tuned. Bye bye.